Redundant storage allows image data to be stored on different hard disks, achieving double recording and making data storage more reliable. To implement redundant storage, make sure the NVR supports and has at least 2 hard disks installed and formatted. From the NVR menu, click Storage, HDD Management, and then click Edit. In the HDD Set window, set the current hard disk property to redundant and belong to the same group as the storage disk. Enter Mode Settings and set the desired image camera for the group. All cameras are set by default. Click Storage Schedule to enable redundance while setting the timeline for the recording. Now you can achieve redundant storage of hard disk. Click Copy to and select All to enable redundance for other cameras. You'll see a purple video icon in the lower left corner of the preview screen once the hard disk redundant storage is turned on.